everybody, welcome back. Yes, I'm still wearing the same thing because like I said, I have a bunch of videos to get through and I have a short time to do it in. So there's that. Plus I've kind of been slacking on getting one video out just because I haven't felt pretty enough to record. So I feel somewhat okay today about recording, except for my hair. Like, as I've been recording these videos, I've been just watching it deflate. It was all nice and curly when I started, and now it's just kind of deflated. So, what can you do? But, I have an unboxing video for us. It's from a Etsy company that I was recommended by, somewhere around there. But, if you've watched my Sweet Lucky Candles videos, which I will tag somewhere up in here, but if you've watched those videos, the shop owner for that, I think her name is Caroline, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm sorry if I keep mispronouncing your name, hun. I'm sorry. I'm horrible with doing stuff like that. I'm horrible with it. I'm sorry. It's my deal. But if you've seen those, moving on, if you've seen those, she is also an Etsy store owner, and she makes a whole bunch of beauty products and candles and things like that, and I love getting stuff from her. But she recommended me to, I'm looking at my iPad to remember what the store is. It's Tater Rounds Beauty. Now, she does all natural beauty products. They're vegan. So I decided, and like, I was gonna order a whole bunch of stuff that I wanted, but then, yay, she did a little mystery box thing, and I'm like, okay, I'll just get that, because I couldn't really make up my mind what I wanted. Like, I had an entire shopping list of all kinds of stuff from her shop, and I'm like, I don't need to spend this much money. I have Christmas coming up. What do I want? So thankfully she did a mystery box. This one was only, how much was this one? This one was only $23.92. So that's how much that one was. And of course I'm going to put all of her information down below, so if you like anything, or if you want to check her out, or if you're interested in like vegan makeup products and stuff, then yes, definitely go check her out. So this is going to be the first time. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting to open this box. Now I kind of went ahead and opened it, off camera, because it was taped up really well, and I didn't feel like fumbling with it on camera, as you can see all the tape around it. But it's not that big of a box, which, I don't mind, because it's makeup. So, but when I opened it, there's a nice, pretty shiny box in here. So we're gonna just pull that out, and of course it took up the entire inside, and she had packing and stuff in there, so nothing would get damaged. And there's a nice little cute bow on it, so we're just gonna go ahead and take that off. Pretty red box. Might have to repurpose this box, honestly. Okay. And again, she's got everything really nice and well packaged in here. So I'm just going, yep, that's all packing stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to pull, and this is cute. Like, it's got the Christmas poinsettias on it, if I'm not mistaken. So here's the first little item. Let's see here. Here's, if you can really see the color in it. And she, like I said, she hand makes all this, and they're vegan and cruelty free. And this is Tater Rounds Beauty number 44, vegan and cruelty free powdered blush. So this is actually blush. That's what that is, and it's a cute container too. So let's open this and give it a little look. Okay. Oh, and that's cool. She has like the little seal on it too, so none of the blush will like actually, get everywhere. So that's nice. Okay, this looks really pink. Like really pink. So I'm going to go ahead and peel the little... Okay, that was a bad idea. I just inhaled blush. But there is what it looks like. There's how pink it is. And then you rub it on, and that's... So this is very pigmented for blush. Go light. Go very, very light with this, unless you want it like really big and pink. And you could probably honestly use this for like a eyeshadow. But yeah, that's really, really pigmented, so definitely use a light hand with this. I don't use much blush, so I'd probably probably would barely tap it, and I'd recommend like blending blending is your friend here with that one. So I like that though, because most of the time you get makeup like this and it's not pigmented and it does not stay. I'm like, I bought it so you could see it and you can't see it. So there's that. Okay, so our next item, and I love her little logo. It's a little piggy. It is so freaking cute. I love her logo. It is adorable. Okay, so this is, obviously it's lip balm lipstick. And oh, it's a nice pretty color. So there's what it is on my hand. You can see it. There's what it is in the tube. That's a pretty color. I can't really, I'm trying to read what it says. Tanquite? I'm not sure. There you go. There's the name of that. You can see it. But I love her logo. It is so cute. That I can't get over. I cannot express how much I love that logo. It is adorable. And my foot is asleep. Oy. Okay. There we go. My foot went to sleep. Okay. Next thing is Tater Round Beauty. It is coming open, and I'm getting glitter everywhere. This says on the bay, vegan and cruelty free. So there's the container. Oops. Here's the container. Whew. Okay. And again, she has one of those little seals on it so the powder don't get everywhere, and hopefully this one won't explode on me, or, you know, whoosh up in the air like the other one. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Yee. Okay, I'm trying to. There we go. Had to figure out how to get it out. Again, this is super, super, super pigmented. I'm getting, yeah, look at that. That is so pigmented. Ugh, that's so great. Yeah, that is really blue. I'm going to have to figure out how to wear that. Because me and bright colors, I end up looking like a clown if I don't do it right. And I've had some bad experiences. So I'm experimenting with this. So again, I don't know if I'm going to go heavy-handed or light-handed with that, but that is super pigmented. And again, that is what you want in makeup. You want people to be able to see it and it not fade away. Okay, and here is another one. There is glitter everywhere from something. But again, it says Tater Round Beauty on it, and it says waves. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Both of these are like ocean themed. Ooh, mermaid look. Mermaid look. Thinking about mermaid. But yeah, so there is the bottom with its name, and then there is your top. And I think I have blush on my hand right there somehow. Okay. So this is where all the glitter came from. But this is where all the glitter came from. It still had the seal on it, but it didn't really, you know, it didn't really keep it all in there, but I don't care. I'm still going to use it. Now I'm going to put this on my other hand. Oh, this is pretty. See, it does, okay, it looks, in here, it looks blue. But I'm just tapping it. Oh my lord, look how shiny that is. That is great. But when you start to blend it in and rub it in, you keep the shine, but kind of lose some of the color. So I guess that'd be really cool to, if you can top it on top of this blue, which, oh, I'm sitting here. Yeah. So you put it on top of that blue and it will make it shiny if you can. There we go. So it'll make it shiny. I'm seriously thinking mermaid look now. I don't have enough bright clothes to do mermaid. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. I might wait till summer. Try to do something with that. Okay, so that is all of those. And then there's one last thing in here. It's the biggest one. And this is Tater Round. Okay, this is one of the items. This is one of the main items that I was looking at getting from her store, and somehow I got lucky enough to actually get this. Oh my god. Yes. Thank you. Okay. So much. Thank you. But it's called Broomstick. It's whipped body butter. So, oh my god, that smells so good. It smells kind of like coffee. It's like vanilla frappuccino, honestly. But there's what it is. It is so light and fluffy. I love it. I know that's not how you use it, but that's how I'm using it. That smells so good. I'm happy. I'm so happy. This is why I could not wait to open this. Okay, so there's the packaging on it. There's that. Let's see here. What does it say on the back? Okay, now on the back it just tells you all the ingredients, and like I said, this is all natural and vegan. So she even uses like vegan oil. It does have coffee in it. I knew it had coffee. It's got coffee, I think coffee butter is what it says. Shea butter, coffee butter, jojoba oil, arrowroot powder, and vegan fragrance oil. So I knew I smelled the coffee in here. It smells like coffee, and oh, I'm gonna have to go make coffee. Probably not at 12 o'clock at night, but I want coffee now. So I'm probably gonna be using this later. Okay, now that I am officially covered in makeup, that was Tater Rounds. Like I said, I will leave all of her information down at the bottom. She has a lot of different products, and I was torn between getting this, and she had one for Halloween, and I'm like, I don't know which one I want. But I think my favorite thing, honestly, is going to be the shea butter, and I do love this shade of lipstick. I might honestly use it this weekend when we go out. Like I said, this is going to be, these little eyeshadows are going to be perfect for a mermaid look. Now, she does have, I'm sorry, my feet are cramping on me, but she does have, I think, not just the loose powder like this, but I think she does like the actual compact powder. I can't remember exactly. I'm trying to remember, but yeah, go check her out. She has a lot of cute stuff on there. She's constantly kind of updating what she put on there. I think she just added some new stuff, especially I think for Christmas and things. So of course everybody's putting stuff out for Christmas. I'm putting stuff out for Christmas, which I've got to get that video up for you guys as well. So yeah, go check her out. If you've already used her, let me know down in the comments, and let me know what you think of her products, because so far I'm in love, and I'm so ready to use my shea butter. But well, my body butter, excuse me. I'm so ready to use that. But yeah, so I will see y'all next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.